Welcome to Craft Door. Hey, today we wanted to talk about the lemon peel stitch blanket, ideas and inspiration for your next project. Wanted to mention to you what the lemon peel stitch is all about. What it is, it's a reversible textured crochet stitch that alternates single crochet and double crochet stitches with the pattern applied to previous row stitches to create a signature look. In order to create the stitch, you begin with an odd number of chains. For the first row, you will work the pattern as single crochet, double crochet, and then repeat that. For all the subsequent rows, you chain one, turn, and repeat the same sequence. Single crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the next, and so on. I'll leave a pattern explanation down below for you to take a look at, and also some patterns that you can take a look at. In the meantime, I wanted to share with you my blanket that I made in the color of gray, white, and black using the lemon peel stitch. It's a blanket that I use to make a little bit longer, a little bit wider, so that you can use it probably for like a twin size bed or just to throw on the couch or something. The colors I used are just from a worsted. The yarn I used is actually just from a worsted weight yarn, and it's either you can use your favorite worsted weight yarn. I like Red Heart Super Saver yarn, and I also like the colors that uh, the Mainstay yarn, which is available at Walmart, and I'll leave a link below. There's colors that you can probably just want to stay in the same realm of using either just the Red Heart, the Mainstay, or the Dollar Tree yarn. I also have that shown in my picture. So I also used a size N crochet hook for this one because it made the pattern a little bit wider and quicker to make. I started out with a smaller crochet hook, and then I took that out and started again with the N because that one just took a lot longer to make the project. So I went back to getting a little bit larger crochet hook, and I'll show you the crochet hook that I use. That's also going to be in the link description below. And now, like I said, I'll share some patterns with you that you can take a look at in order to make it, and I'll leave a little more information below for that. So here's some of the yarn that I'm showing you that I used for the project, and this project was quick and easy for me to make. I only took a couple of nights. Then also to let you know, after I finish my project and sew in the ends and get everything tidied up, I put my project in the wash machine on delicate, slow, to make sure that it doesn't. Then I usually just air dry it. I don't always put it in the dryer. Sometimes I'll tumble dry it really for like 10 minutes lightly, but most of the time I just let it air dry after I'm done with the project. It just kind of helps. You can use a non, an easy, soft, gentle fabric washing laundry detergent that is easy and gentle on especially if you're giving the blanket away. That a laundry detergent that's fragrant free and doesn't have any dyes or anything in it is something to take a look at. So I'm just sharing you some of the pictures of my lemon peel stitch blanket and some ideas that you might want to take and get for your next project for this. So like I said, I'll leave some information below and help you out with the pattern and to get started. It's a really easy pattern to make. There are some projects that you might want to make that I'll share some links to, and some yarn ideas also. If you have any questions about the blanket or need a video or something, just Google or search on YouTube for lemon peel stitch. You'll find lots of projects and patterns with this blanket. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day.